This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about display stands, specifically these bamboo display stands. They're a rectangular, natural bamboo display stand set, and you can see it comes with 3 pieces. The small is 12 inches in length, 8 inches wide, and 4 inches high. The medium is 18 inches long, 8 inches wide, and 6 inches high. And the large is 24 inches long by 8 inches wide and is also 8 inches in height as well. There's 2 different sets available, and the difference between them is the width. We have the set with the 8-inch width. If you're looking for more surface area, there's also one available that has a 12-inch width to it. So all the other measurements for the 3 sizes are the same. For the length and height, you'll just have additional space up there on top, giving you some nice versatile size options. They're all made of durable natural bamboo, which you can see has this lovely light blonde color to it that adds a really nice touch of warmth to your displays. They're perfect to elevate serving dishes or to use as serving pieces. You can create depth, height, and also give your displays order and dimension using these in a variety of different configurations. They're great for cheese, meat, and fruit displays, for the display of breads and pastries, or even putting out apps and desserts. They're that perfect touch to catered events. You can use them alone or pair them together, use other bamboo pieces, or even mix in porcelain items as well to create lovely and varied displays. They're made from earth-friendly and sustainable bamboo, and they're durable as well, so they can really hold up to repeated use at events, making them great for eco-minded companies. They're perfect for restaurants, hotels, and caterers to create vibrant displays for buffets or just to use when entertaining at home.